KRIPT Coffee Cup Warmer for Desk Rapid Heating Mug Warmer with Auto Shut-Off Mode included flat bottom mug lid and Spoon Gen2, black. 2 temperature settings. Our electric mug warmer can slow down the cooling speed of hot beverage. You can choose the temperature if you want by touching the touch button to keep or warm up the liquid temperature to 130-55 or 140-60. Included 1 heat conductive ceramic mug, which has a totally flat base, no rim around the edge. It has an aluminum alloy bottom for optimum heat conduction. Safe and durable, this coffee warmer has a mode for intelligently identifying cups. When the cup is not placed on it, it will stop HEATING. Press gear button 10 seconds could cancel this function. The other mode is timing shutdown function. You could set 1 or 9 hours before heating. When time is up, it will stop work. This coffee heater with 18-watt low power, lifetime up to 100,000 hours, which suitable for tableware, stainless steel cup, mug, milk box, glass cup and etc. Waterproof design. This coffee cup warmer have glass waterproof panel is adopted without need for security concern for splashing water on the heating plate by accident, as you just need to dry it with a rag. Note: do not pour water onto it. Best gift choice, beautiful and compact design. Keep the beverages warm all day and a great gift for lover, dad, mom, wife, husband and all your loved ones on Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, and Christmas, and other special occasions to show you care. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.